What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If it's your first time, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders. This is my channel. We talk about a lot of makeup. I love beauty products, and I usually drop something. So if that's what you're interested in, make sure you stick around. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do. Give this video a big thumbs up and ring that notification bell so you don't miss it on future videos. Today we are doing empties. I have been saving these for what feels like forever, so long, and I really just wanted to share them with you guys. So as you know, or if you don't know, I like to save up my empties for my beauty products, and I like to let you know what worked for me, what didn't, what will I repurchase, and what will I not repurchase. So before I ramble on and before I end up dropping something, I will we're gonna get right into it. So the first thing that I have here for an empty, this is a body care product, and I've had this for a while, and I really enjoyed it. So this is by Nivea. This is their In Shower Body Milk. This is the Nourishing 24 Hour. So what you do, it's like an after body wash moisturizer. So when you're done, put this on and just rinse it off really quickly. It's really easy, and it leaves your skin really feeling nourished. So I do love this. I am going to look for it. I've had it for so long though. I'm like, I haven't seen it in the stores, but I haven't been looking. So I will definitely be repurchasing this, and Nivea is a great brand. Is another skincare product. Okay, so I feel like I have so much stuff now. So this is by Tula. This is the Probiotic Skincare. This is their Face Purifying Cleanser. I received this in a FabFitFun, I want to say last winter's, and at first I wasn't sure. It has a very interesting consistency. So it is a gel cleanser, but it's like you really kind of have to work it in to really get it build up, maybe get a little bit of suds. There's not a whole lot of suds with this product, but it does work really well. And I have to say that when I was using it, I noticed that my skin just felt and looked healthier. So that's what it claims to do. So I am definitely going to look into getting that again. Right now I have a couple other cleansers. I'm trying to use up what I have, but that one's definitely on the list. Have a body lotion. So this is actually by Young Living. This is the Lavender Hand and Body Lotion. This is pricey for what you get in here. I'm going to say that. I think this was like $23 or something Canadian. I love Young Living, but it is very expensive for a lotion. So the thing about Young Living is they infuse natural ingredient type products with pure essential oils. So that's great, but I don't think that this is worth it. It did leave my skin feeling really nice, but I get a lot of different products, especially now since I started this channel, so I'm not going to be able to justify making this purchase again. However, if you are looking for something next, I received this as a sample in a Look Fantastic box. I'll try and link some stuff up here. I'm terrible at doing that, I know. So this is by Bumble & Bumble. This is their Surf Spray. This is a salt spray, and it doesn't look like there would be very much in there. However, this went pretty far. Now, my hair is only just getting to this length. It was pretty short when I was using this, but I enjoyed it. I've heard a lot of people say that salt sprays are awesome, so I was pretty excited to try this one. I don't know if I'd purchase it again, but it was fun to try something different. Next, this was a sample sent to me, and I wanted to mention it because I like to throw in all my samples. Sometimes I throw my sheet masks in there, you know. But this is by Nivea. This is their oil infused lotion. So this is cherry blossom with a jojoba oil. I was sent this, I believe, by Top Box. I will try and link that below. If you live in Canada and you haven't tried Top Box yet and you like getting free samples, stick around and I'll link something around here. But that's where I got this, and I really did enjoy it. It didn't have like it was still felt very lightweight. However, and it smells awesome. Like, it has a really fresh scent, so that is something I will possibly look into getting the full size when I need another body lotion, because this full size is probably at most like $7 or $8 Canadian, whereas that Young Living one over there is like what feels like $1 million to me. It's in here, I'm like, holy crap. All right, we have a face lotion. So this is a face moisturizer. This is the Dr. Jart Plus Water Fuse. I know I've been talking about this for so long. Finally finished it. Excellent. Like, there's a little bit of residue in there, but nothing big. I've had this for a while. I am super excited to finally finish this. See, this is the part of like having a low buy. If you are new here, I haven't been purchasing a lot of products for my channel. I've been pretty much not shopping at all. I haven't been doing any hauls. I did do like a small one like this month, but that was more like because it was my birthday present. But it feels so good to use the products I have, and I'm going to give a shout out right now. I'm going to shout out Living the Dream because she is somebody who really inspired me to like use what I have, and I watch her and she's just very inspiring to me. So thank you so much. So that's like a really big deal to me to finish a face cream. And then the more exciting part happens is it's not the only one because I finished this one too. So this is the Confidence in a Cream by It Cosmetics. I received this in a Boxy Luxe. I don't remember when. It is my... I love it so much. Like there's just like a little tiny bit in there. Probably use that later. Like just like I was like scraping in here last night to try and get the last little bits out. I love this cream so much. However, in Canada it retails for like $62 or something ridiculous. And I'm like, I can't justify buying another cream right now. However, I maybe will once I've used what's in my stock, because I do have a few other things that I have to finish before I can get anything new. It's part of my low buy. I'm not going to buy anything that's unnecessary. But yeah, so I loved this cream. Almost up. I did finish these. These were by Coco Star, the Princess Eye Patches. Oh, I love the packaging. Can you see it? There it is. So these were their gold eye patches. I picked these up at Winners and I was able to go through them all. So it comes with 60 patches, so 30 for each eye. They were just really like nourishing. I really enjoyed them, like the way that my under eyes felt after I used them. This was like huge. I was like, yes, I'm finally gonna do it. And so I have some other ones that are newer, so that I'm gonna start using up, but super pumped. I probably won't repurchase those though, however, because I do, like if you buy, for example, the Pixie ones, the detoxify ones that I've been using lately, they like it's 60, so it takes a while to get through them. So I don't know where I'll be at that point. Used a mascara. So this was my Milk Makeup. This is the Kush mascara. I'll show you what the wand looks like. So it was a really nice mascara. I really enjoyed it. However, it did smudge. Little smudgy, like right in this area for me, especially my eyelashes. The way that they sit is they like to like rub right there. So but I do enjoy this mascara. I probably won't repurchase it because of the smudging, but I got this one. I don't even think I paid for this one, honestly. I think it was a sample, or no, I think it was like one of my bonus points for Sephora or something like that. I can't remember. I really can't remember, but I know I didn't pay very much for this if I did buy it. So that's what I love. I don't buy full-size mascaras anymore unless they're from the drugstore. I'm gonna have a whole video on that. All right, so this is so cool. I love this stuff. This is by Sally Hansen, and it's Maximum Growth. It's a cuticle pen, so it comes like this. And then you just twist it, and then the liquid would come out here. And you just like brush it on really easily. It was so cool to use. If I ever see one of these again, I will definitely buy it because I haven't seen one in so long. I'm like, I regret not buying more, but this was my last one. I used it up. So hopefully, or if you've ever heard of a similar type of product to this one, let me know in the comments below. Mascara product that I did use is a mascara primer. So this is my Smashbox Photo Finish Lash Primer. Okay, so seriously, this is like the most epic thing of empties that I ever could have brought to you guys today. I'm so excited I did this. So it's this one. It's just like an interesting kind of like spiky. So it works. I'm not gonna buy it again. I don't think I paid very much for this one as well. It is a mini, but it only worked well with the Smashbox one. That's the one thing I did notice. This primer didn't work well when I used it with other types of mascaras, so keep that in mind. I'm not going to repurchase it, but it was fun to try while I had it. I also finished this. This is by e.l.f. This is their Beauty Shield Antioxidant Enriched Skin Protection. So this was the Daily Defense Mist. I didn't have very much left in this, so I was like, I'm going to use it. So that's kind of like what most of these products were. They were things that just were so close to that point, so I got there. So I finished this up. I don't know, I didn't love this product. It wasn't great. I not repurchase this. I also have this small little sample. This is from Skin SkinCeuticals. So this was a sample. I don't think it came from Top Box. I don't know where it came from. It's just a nice serum for your face. I've heard lots of awesome things about this brand from other people, so I will keep an eye out. If I ever see this somewhere, I may or may not want to pick it up. I also finished this. This is by Filorga Laboratories Paris. So this was just a lift structure cream, ultra firming cream. So I received this in a Look Fantastic box. I used it up. There was no wow factor. It was just a small trial size. It worked. I didn't mind it. It was pretty good but you never know if I ever saw it again. It was on sale. I don't know what the price point is, so I feel like I keep doing this. So you know what I mean. Okay, and last but not least, this is not a makeup item. This is an essential oil. So I actually finished a bottle of essential oils recently, and I've decided I'm going to put those into my empties because these are part of my life, and I use them pretty much like I use my makeup. And I know I keep talking about talking about my essential oils a little bit more, sort of telling you some different things that I have learned over the years. And I know I keep saying I'm going to do that, and it's funny because I'm actually going to film a video right after this one. So get ready for those. But this is Clarity. So this is one of my favorite blends from Young Living. So I can't remember exactly what was in, like what single oils make this blend. But I know that there's some rosemary in there, some peppermint. It's such a fresh scent. Whenever I'm wearing this, honestly, I wear it in the morning. I like to put one drop in my left hand, rub my hands together very slowly like that, just kind of warm the oil up, and I like to rub it on the back of my neck, and it is my favorite way to wear this oil. It's perfect for me. If you have sensitive skin, beware. Make sure you use a carrier oil. I tell everybody that. I don't have sensitive skin. It does not bother me. This might not bother you, but it could, so I really like that. And that's the end. Holy flippin' smokes, man. That was way more stuff than I really thought until I like sit down and I'm like, whoa, there is still so much more coming out of this box. So I have to say, for the most part, I really was pretty impressed with all of these products. There are a few that I will not repurchase, but there are a few that I'm probably going to. Like the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This bad boy right here. Buying this one. I don't care. Somebody buy this for me, please. No, I'm just kidding. No, but I'm really excited that I used all of these products. I've never done that. That's part of like my problem is I buy things. I do not use things. So that's why my low buy is the perfect thing for me. And I can create so many different makeup looks with the makeup I already have. And it's so much more, I want to say, so much more fulfilling than I really thought it would. So thumbs up to that. So don't forget to go check out Living the Dream. So she is the shout out for this video, which is something I'd actually like to start doing in my videos. So if I don't do that, remind me. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed and given this video a thumbs up, you do. And congratulations to me because I didn't drop anything. Whoop, whoop. All right, guys, I absolutely love hanging out with you. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Let me know in the comments below, have you tried any of these products? And what do you think of my empties? So beauty trash it is. And I will see you guys in the next one.